Hello, hello, hi peeps, and welcome back to Crach. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great myself. And yeah, we have a little improvised stream today because we got multiple boxes to unbox. So I hope that you're excited for that. Because yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Wait, what right now? We're gonna do this in a quickie. We have not one, but two boxes. So let's go and open them. One over here. No, now I'm gonna do it. Oh, thank you for the follow. Oh, Gianluca, welcome, buddy. Hope you're doing great. Yeah, we have those things. Yeah, this is pre-release stuff. So here we have the new Pokemon sets. We have one box of each of these ones. I gotta say, they look quite fancy. Look at that, so gold and shiny. Damn. Ugh. We have the bundles 4 times. So it's the trainer boxes, the elite trainer boxes of the new Pokemon set. And as always, oh, I have a special Lucario card as well. Quite fancy. So a bit more than the usual elite boxes. Because I don't remember there being a special card inside of them. That's quite nice. I'm sure that these are gonna be very popular. Lucario is always one of the cool ones that people do enjoy. So there we go. Okay. So you have a whole display set of Dragon Shields, but the clear ones, so the see-through ones, the one that you can see your card from behind them, in front of them. I'm actually gonna open this. Alright. Good. Show that. Ooh, that's gonna be fancy. Yeah. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Fancy display as well. It's all about the display. Yes. It has to be fancy for my people. And then we have the clear sleeve. There you go, Dragon Shield, my favorite sleeves in on the market. So 10 of those. Yeah. Ooh, we have a booster box of Magic, of a draft booster box of Dominaria Remastered. This is pretty much one of the best value booster boxes that you can get for a fair price right now. These are super interesting. I'm gonna open this box and display it for single booster purchase. So people don't have to buy the whole booster box, they can just buy the boosters separately. We do have some dices over here. Damn. Chesex. Looks nice. These one are my favorite, the two. I do like these one. And then we got some deck boxes for they can include 100 plus cards, so perfect for your commander decks if you play Magic the Gathering, or you can even put 2 of your Digimon decks inside of these little boxes. And I have the green one and the yellow one, and then we have 3 of each. So yeah, some more for the stock. I like it. More Digimon booster boxes, of course. We have of BT8 and BT7, another box of each. I like to order like not too crazy amounts of them, just to check whatever people are interested in, and then I buy whatever they need. And yeah, I bought one of those and they were gone like the day that they came in, so I was like, you know what, let's try again. Let's see if people want more of those or if it was just a fluke. Let's find out. Yeah, BT7 and BT8 back in stock. Then for the Digimon fans, we have another thingy. We do have a build kit from Bandai from Wargreymon. Look at that. Isn't that fancy? I think it's quite fancy. So yeah, you can build this beautiful figure out of this box. And that's one of the amazing things about these build kits, is that they are really fancy, but they also have a really nice price. Like if you were to buy like an action figure or a statue, it would be really expensive. But as a build kit, on top of them, they are really cheap compared to those statues. And also it's super fun to do. I really enjoy doing that. I've done it multiple times on stream. But once again, if someone is interested in this thing, but they don't feel like courageous enough to build it themselves, it's one of the things that I do for you. You pay me the price of the item, I build it for you, and then you can have it built as well. No more price for that. I don't mind doing that. It's also an extra stream for me, so it's quite nice. So there you go, Wargreymon. You can build it yourself, or I can build it for you. Oh, pocket pages. Alright, that's a fair name for that. So yeah, if you have like your maps, your folders, your portfolios for your cards, and you want more of those pages, you can order them at Crach Card Club. And I have multiple ones. So pretty nice, right? Something that I own myself, that I really do enjoy. People were asking me like where I got it, and I was like, you know what? I can get it for you. If you like it that much, I can fix it. And it is the Dungeon S550 Plus. So this is, they call it the Dungeon, but it is like a really big box for all your decks. As you can see, it's big enough to contain the boxes that I showed you earlier. Oh, they're also from GameGenic, so they actually fit inside of them. Or you can just put, as you can see on the picture, you can also just put all your cards together. I prefer to do it more like this. Also enough place to put your playmat if you want to. It's an amazing thing. I love it, and I use it pretty much every single time when I use my decks. So yeah, they're all stocked in boxes like this. But I have two different ones. I have this one for my Magic cards, but I also have another one for my Digimon, and that's this big boy. Oh yeah, look at this boy. That's a big one. That's a Dungeon. So we had the 550 plus, and this one is the 1100 plus. So the double amount of space for double amount of cards. As you can see, crazy amount of space to put all your cards in there. And something that I really like is that they are like the flaps are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about anything. They are really solid and really easy to remove and replace. And yeah, I think it's really cool. I think it's so cool. And it's a red one. I gotta say, I have the gray one, and looking at this one, I kind of regret it. I kind of want this one now. So that's it. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. That was it. Woo! I think I did an unboxing in record time just now. How long have I been live? 15 minutes. 2 boxes, 2 unboxings in 15 minutes. I think that's quite impressive. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this. Definitely let me know in the comments. Let me know in the chat. If there are items that you would like to order from me, just let me know by sending me a private message, and I can put it on the site. If you don't live close by, so you can't come to the shop, you can also ask me to deliver it to you at home. All possible. All the options are there. The best way to find out all the items that I do have that are available is at Crach Card Club on Instagram and on Discord. So all the links are down below the stream, so definitely go check it out. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. But there are more deliveries coming up, so we are gonna do more random streams like this, so you can see all the items that are there. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And do not forget, I'm Crach, and I'm going out. Bye bye.